Welcome to Pro Hands Home Improvement. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about garage door replacement costs in Los Angeles in 2026. Upgrading your garage door can enhance curb appeal, improve security, and even boost your home's value. Stay tuned as we break down the factors that influence pricing, the current market rates, and some handy tips to get the best deal. Several factors can impact the cost of replacing your garage door. First, the material you choose plays a significant role. Options like steel, wood, and aluminum. Each come with different price tags and benefits. The size and design complexity of the door also matter, as custom designs or larger doors will naturally cost more. Additionally, the installation process itself, which can vary based on your garage's setup, might affect the overall price. In 2026, you can expect to pay between $1,200 and $4,000 for a new garage door in Los Angeles. Basic models start around $1,200, while more premium or custom options can go up to $4,000. This range includes both the door itself and professional installation. Keep in mind that opting for high-end materials or specialized designs will increase the cost. To make the most of your investment, consider these tips. First, shop around and get quotes from multiple providers. Look for seasonal sales or discounts, especially during home improvement events. Also, think about energy efficiency. An insulated door may cost more upfront but can save on energy bills over time. Lastly, always ensure your installer is licensed and insured to avoid potential issues. Ready to upgrade your garage door? Visit us at ProHandsHandyman.com for more information and to get started with a consultation. Our team of experts is here to help you select the perfect garage door for your home. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home improvement tips and updates.